Hello everyone, this is the first video about the most popular Java and Kotlin project builder, Apache Maven. The Maven application itself is also written in Java. The easiest way to install it is to simply Google the word Maven. As we see, the first search result gives us a link to the official website, and here we see the most current version of Maven, system requirements, and download links in the different file formats. Let's download one of them. Extracting everything to any folder you like. To be able to call Maven commands from any folder, we should add the path to the executables into the path environment variable. So I copy the bin folder path and paste it as a new path item. To check Maven is working properly, you can simply open the shell and run mvm version command. The command returns information about installed version of Maven, the location of the distributive, the default version of the JDK specified in the Java Home environment variable, and some information about the system. If you use IntelliJ IDEA as your development environment, then Maven is usually installed as a part of IDE bundle as well. In order to use this version of Maven through the standard OS console, you must also set the path to the environment variable. You can find the Maven installation path by opening IntelliJ installation folder and then going sequentially to the plugins, Maven, Maven 3, and finally bin folders. I copy the path to the bin folder and registering it in the path environment variable. And with the mvm version command, I check the performance of Maven through the command line. Everything is working properly. Thank you.